Today, let's talk about migrating Alteryx workflows to Microsoft Fabric with Kanerika's FLIP platform. Alteryx is a powerful tool for enterprise analytics, enabling business users to prepare and analyze data through an intuitive, self-service interface. But as enterprises embrace cloud-first strategies and manage increasingly complex data ecosystems, many are turning to Microsoft Fabric. Unlike standalone tools, Microsoft Fabric is a unified platform that seamlessly integrates data engineering, real-time analytics, and business intelligence. For enterprises looking to transition from Alteryx to Microsoft Fabric, manual migration can be a significant challenge. Rebuilding workflows from scratch drains time, resources, and introduces risk. That's where Kanerika's Migration Accelerator powered by FLIP transforms the process. By automating the conversion, it helps businesses overcome the complexities of manual migration. Now let's see how the migration works in this demo. The migration begins in the FLIP platform. After connecting the source Alteryx workflow and authenticating with Microsoft Fabric credentials, businesses select their target workspace and transformation engine. Once initiated, FLIP automatically analyzes the entire Alteryx workflow. Then it converts everything into a native Fabric data flow. Within minutes, a fully functional data flow appears in the designated Fabric workspace. Here's what we covered. First, we discussed why Microsoft Fabric is ideal for enterprises that need a unified, cloud-native platform built for scale. Second, we explored how FLIP automates migration, eliminating the time, cost, and risk of manual conversion. Finally, we saw FLIP convert Alteryx workflows into deployment-ready Fabric pipelines in minutes. Accelerate your move from Alteryx to Microsoft Fabric with FLIP. Contact us at www.kanerika.com/meet.